Hello everyone, welcome back to EduPlanet Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Telangana 10th class Math Summative Assessment 1 Mathematics question paper solutions. This question paper is carrying totally 3 sections. Firstly, we will start with section 1. This is our first question. Find the HCF of 72 and 110 by using Euclid algorithm. See the solution. Firstly, in the question they have asked that we have to use Euclid division algorithm. What is Euclid division algorithm? A equals B into Q plus R. Here A means dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. First of all, we have to decide in given numbers which is divisor and which is dividend. See guys, 72 and 110, if I compare these two values, 72 is less than 110. So less value we have to consider as divisor and bigger value we have to consider as dividend. Perform the division. 72 ones are 72. 110 minus 72. Take borrow. 10 minus 2 will be 8 and 10 minus 7 will be 3. 38. This remainder will become, now this remainder will become divisor. Previous divisor will become dividend. This is the crucial point here. 38 in 38 table, 38 ones are 38, 38 twos are 76. 76 value is excessing, so take ones are only. 38 ones are 38. 12 minus 8 will be 4. 6 minus 3 will be 3. Previous divisor will become the dividend. That is what? 38. 34 ones are 34. 38 minus 34 will be 4. Previous divisor will become the dividend. Again 34. 4 8s are 32. 34 minus 32 will be 2 and previous divisor 4 will become the dividend here. 2 2s are 4. That's all. We need to write the statements here by following Euclid division algorithm. That is what? Dividend equals divisor into quotient. Divisor into quotient plus remainder. Next, here also, 72 dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. Vice versa, dividend equals divisor into quotient 1 plus remainder 4 and 34 dividend equals divisor into quotient 4 into 8 plus remainder is 2. The last one, dividend equals divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, by using Euclid division algorithm, we have prepared statements. Here, where you are getting remainder as 0, that divisor will be your answer. Where you are getting 0, the divisor will be your answer. What is the divisor? That is 2. Yes. Therefore, we can say that HCF of 72 and 110 is what? 2. That's all. We'll move to second question from section 1. That is, 10th class student Varun said to his friend that 2 tan 30 degrees upon 1 plus tan square 45 degrees equals to tan 30 degrees. Do you agree with him? If you agree, justify your answer. This is the question. Now we will see the solution of it. Before solving this question, we must have the good knowledge about trigonometric ratio values. Here, which kind of trigonometry ratios are involved? Tan 30 and tan 45. Firstly, we will write their values by taking tan 30 value equals 1 by root 3 and another ratio is what? Tan 45. Yes, tan 45 degrees equals 1. These two values we must remember, then easily we can solve this present question. See, what they have given? 2 into tan 30. 2 into tan 30 means nothing but 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 45. 1 plus tan square 45. It means for tan 45 we need to write the square. Tan 45 is what? 1. If I write the square, 1 square equals tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is how much? 1 by root 3. 2 into 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 square means 1 only equals 1 by root 3. See guys, 2 plus 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1, 2. Here no denominator means just assume as 1. In RHS as usually 1 by root 3 is there. See, 2 by root 3, then if any fraction has the denominator, that fraction denominator will be reciprocal. It means 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2 equals 1 by root 3. Numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled. Remaining values are 1 by root 3 equals 1 by root 3. Easily we can observe that both LHS and RHS both are same. It means what Varun said, that is correct only. Yes, I agree with Varun. The third question is draw Venn diagrams of A union B and A intersection B. Students, no need to confuse. Here for set A and B they have not provided any values. So this solution without having elements also easily you can do it. That is how we will see. First of all, to draw the Venn diagram, take a rectangular portion, rectangular box. So this indicates mu. Mu means universal set. Here two sets are available, set A and set B. For them, draw two circles, and first circle take as set A, second one consider as B. Which kind of operation they are expecting from us? Union we have to show. Union means what? Combination of all elements. Yes. So this can represent, so this Venn diagram can represent what? A union B. Simply we can denote like this. So I have used horizontal lines, that's why I have represented this horizontal lines area indicates A union B. We'll move to A intersection B. Again same, take rectangular portion, rectangular box. Again indicate mu, universal set. Two sets are involved here, set A and set B. First circle for representing set A and second circle for representing set B. Intersection area we need to show. Intersection means the common area in both sets. That common area, see, I am shading with diagonal lines or slope lines. Same, what I have drawn, that thing we have to show here, diagonal lines. So this diagonal lined area represents A intersection B. A union B means combination of all elements. A intersection B, intersection is nothing but the common area or mutual elements. This is our question number 4. For this equation 4x minus 6y plus 8 equals 0, for this equation we need to write two more linear equation in two variables such that those two equations they should be parallel graphically with this equation. It means very easy. We need to form two more equations based on the concept of, see, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0, linear equation in two variables. The first one. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0. These two equations can be parallel when they are having their ratio of a equals to ratio of b should not be equals to ratio of c values. Yes, right? We need to follow this condition. So already they have given a1 value. A1 is what? A1 is 4. Next b1 is minus 6. C1 value 8. So see here, we should follow this condition. Ratio of a value should be equal to ratio of b and should not be equals to ratio of c. See, doubling values I am going to write. A2 value is not simply is nothing but 4 to the 8 and b2 value you can simply write as minus 12. C2 value, that is your wish, any value you can write. Yes, so the equation is what? 8x a2 is nothing but coefficient of x plus b2y plus b2 is nothing but minus 12 into y plus c2 value 10 equals 0. It means nothing but 8x plus into minus 12y plus 10 equals 0. Yes, successfully I created one linear equation in two variables which is parallel to the given equation. So the concept is very easy. First of all, I extracted the values of a1, b1, c1. Yes, I written their doublings of for a1 and b1, because if I cancel them, 4 by 8 will be 1 by 2 and minus 6 by minus 2 again 1 by 2. It means ratio of a and ratio of b values will be equal, and it should not be equals to ratio of c. I have created one equation. You can create one more. Yes, this is our question number 5. So given that polynomial of x equals 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4x minus 7. For this polynomial, we need to find the values of polynomial of minus 2 and polynomial of 3. Very simple concept. Just in place of variable, it means in place of x, we need to substitute the value minus 2 here. There, 3 we need to substitute. So by substituting minus 2 in place of x, what it could be? 2 into x cube. X cube is nothing but minus 2 cube minus 3 into x square. X square is minus 2 square plus 4 into x. X stands for minus 2 minus 7. Just try to evaluate the value. 2 into minus 2 cube is nothing but minus 8 minus 3 into minus 2 square plus 4 plus into minus 4 to the 8 minus 7. 2 into minus 8 minus 16 minus 3 4s are 12 minus 8 minus 7. Yes, next minus 16 and minus 12. Minus 16 and minus 12 minus 28 minus 8 and minus 7 minus 15. Both values are having minus symbol only. It means by keeping minus symbol we need to perform the addition. 8 plus 5 13, 1 would be carried, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. So p of minus 2 value is minus 43. Next, p of 3 you can. This is our question number 6. Given that triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF, and some values also they have given. BC value 4 centimeter, EF value 5 centimeter, and area of triangle ABC value they have given that 64 centimeter square. The question is, we need to determine the area of triangle DEF. So before solving this question, once we'll recall similar triangles areas theorem, because the question is related to finding area. Yes, right? So once I tell the theorem, similar triangles areas theorem is similar triangles areas ratio must be equals to their corresponding sides squares ratio. Yes, it means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF. Similar triangles areas ratio must be equals to their corresponding sides squares ratio. It means AB square, AB corresponds to DE, AB square by DE square equals second set BC square by EF square. Third set AC corresponds to DF, right? So AC square by DF square. This question related to only BC and EF sides. So only this set we have to pick. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF equals BC square by EF square. Area of triangle ABC already they have mentioned 64 centimeter square divided by area of triangle DEF, unknown value, as it is you can copy, equals BC square. BC value 4 centimeter. BC square they are asking. It means 4 centimeter whole square divided by EF square. EF value 5 centimeter square. Do the cross multiplication. 64 centimeter square into 5 centimeter square equals 4 centimeter square into area of triangle DEF. See here, 64 centimeter square into 5 square means 25 centimeter square. Here 4 centimeter square is multiplying. If I bring this side, it will become the division. Yes, 4 square is nothing but 16 centimeter square equals area of triangle DEF. 16 ones are 16, 16 fours are 64. Next, centimeter square can be cancelled. So what is remaining value? 4 into 25 centimeter square. 425 is nothing but 100 centimeter square equals area of triangle DEF.